What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to share with you how certain affiliate programs are starting to integrate AI into their service to better help you make more sales. And one example of that is a program called Stay22. It's a travel affiliate program that I've been signed up with for a little over a month now, and here are some sales reports that came in. Now here's the thing. All of these sales that came in were actually from the AI tool that this service uses, and I'll show you how that looks in a moment. But basically what they do is once you sign up with a program like this, it's for free by the way, what they do is they give you a code, you insert it into your website, and then their AI tool goes to work and then tries to find places across your website to insert relevant affiliate links without you having to do it manually. On top of that, what they also do is they provide people with an exit pop-up. So here's, for example, an example of that. I was browsing through this old page and this pop-up came up for Trip.com, which is one of the many big name companies that Stay22 is associated with. Among that is also Expedia, I believe, Booking.com. And what happens is that as people are browsing through this website, as they decide to leave, these kinds of last minute deals pop up. And the thing is, all of my sales that came in that you see over here actually came in from all of these things, because what's interesting is that when I looked at the transaction, the campaign IDs, these are things that I didn't create. Their AI tool actually created these, so I was actually able to deduce which blog posts they came from. So I was basically like, I don't remember putting Stay22 affiliate links into my website, and then I see, especially into these pages here, so I was like, wow, this is their AI tool doing it for me. So as you can see, this kind of stuff works and it makes your life a lot easier. Now the thing to understand is in order for this to work, you have to actually get traffic to your website, and you also have to focus on having high quality traffic come to your website. So if you're going to talk about, for example, in this case, destinations to visit across the world, try to make sure that you talk about popular destinations that people are interested in. So maybe, things to do in Miami, Florida, things to do in Charlotte, North Carolina, or maybe something European related, like, the best things to do in Rome, Italy, or something along those lines. When you create more relevant content, you will attract more relevant audiences, which then makes sense to connect to, let's say, a program like Stay22 or other affiliate programs out there to then promote relevant offers, or in this case, let them kind of decide, with their AI tool rather, to decide where to insert the relevant affiliate link. So that's what I wanted to share with you in this video. If you have any questions about this, let me know, but this is a great tool that basically helps automate the process of affiliate marketing now. It's something that's becoming more and more common, and I am someone that can confidently say that this works. So if you have any questions, let me know, but other than that, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.